that good, in my opinion. The bar ends, I got the Eastern bar ends. The bars, I got the Eastern Wonder bars. For the stem, I got the Eastern compression stem. For my headset, I don't know. My forks, don't know. Front tire, I got the Eastern Layer Flyer tire. For my, oh yeah, the tires the same front and back. Front wheels, the Eastern Droid rim, front and back. Spokes, don't know. Front hub, I got the Eastern logo hub. Oh, yeah, inside the tube, I got the Five Bikes Copper tube with the Eastern wheel rim tape, so it covers the spokes. For the seat, I got the Eastern letter C pivotal. Seat post, I don't know. My seat clamp is the Eastern Lowboy clamp. It's integrated. For my pedals, I got the Eastern Crown PC twisted pedals. My cranks, I got the Eastern Tribe cranks. Sprocket, I got the 25 tooth Eastern, I forgot, it's something with a P, I'm not sure exactly. For my chain, I don't know, but it looks pretty legit. I think it's like the DK chain, I'm not sure. For my bottom bracket, I got the Eastern bottom bracket kit. For my back hub, I got the Eastern bidirectional hub, which is pretty sick. Got the stock valve caps. So yeah, that was my bike. Oh, these are my little